Okay, today we are going to do class on preparation of the smear. For this we need two grease-free glass slides. Okay, we need for DLC we need staining rack. Okay, obviously we need blood samples. Okay, then obviously if you are doing DLC, so we need lacemin stain. Okay, this is a lacemin stain. This is the distilled water. We need distilled water, and for oil immersion visualization we need cedarwood oil. Okay, for that, before we have to move forward, we have to do the smear. Okay, first how to make a smear. We have to take two glass size. Okay, this is our specimen slide. Okay, on which we are going to do the examination, and this is the spreader slide. Okay, one slide is used as a spreader. Okay, just let, for the time being we keep it this aside, all these things aside, and concentrate on the examination of your this. Okay, first we are going to take the sample on the specimen slide. Okay, this is a slide in which we are going to do the examination. Okay, you can take a glass rod or you can take a capillary bowl. At one end of this slide we will be placing the blood sample, or we can use previously glass slides. Okay, I have a makeshift glass rod. Okay, I will be taking the blood samples with the help of this. Okay, okay, then with the help of the spreader, with a very uniform edge spreader. Okay, this is the edge which looks quite uniformly edge. Okay, I will be using this edge of the spreader for making the smear. Okay, so look closely. The specimen slide should be held like this with one end. Okay, then with the other end, with the smooth edge of the spreader, we have to place the edge of the spreader a little bit forward than the glass slide. Okay, okay, just have a look. Okay, like this you have to hold it. Okay, then we have to bring the smooth edge of the spreader and let it touch the drop of blood. Let it spread through the edge. Okay, then with the gentle and uniform force you have to move it along the edge. Okay, and you can see the smear looks more or less quite uniform. Okay, although I can see some gaps in between. These are called as the vacuoles. Okay, although it's not an ideal blood smear which should be a tongue shaped, but I can see the uniformity is being maintained, so I can use this for the experiment. Okay, I'm just doing this experiment for your understanding purpose. Okay, so this will do. Okay, next step of the blood smear preparation is that we have to keep this smear on a staining rack. Okay, so in order it to get dried up. Okay, this is the makeshift staining rack. I will keep the glass smear over here and let it dry. Okay, I will keep it there. It will depend upon the thickness of the smear. Okay, if it is a uniformly thick smear, it will take some 5 minutes time to get it dry. Okay, as it get dry, then we will proceed further the next steps of our examinations. Okay, I have time, I can use another slide as your examination. Okay. Okay, it looks more or less okay. I have kept two slides for my staining. Okay,